Sunagawa City is about an hour and a half by car from Sapporo, Hokkaido. There's a facility here drawing 300,000 people from across the country every year.
I came from Kobe.
I'm from Osaka. This is the main event of my day today. I'm really excited.
It's run by a company called SHIRO. Founded in Sunagawa City, they launched the SHIRO Cosmetics brand in 2015. From beauty serums made with gagome kelp harvested in Hokkaido to soaps containing sake leaves, their products created from naturally derived ingredients have attracted many fans. Sales have grown nearly 12-fold in the past 9 years to about $144 million. They operate 31 stores, including in Tokyo's Omotesando department stores nationwide and overseas. This is their factory, but unusually for a cosmetics company, the inside is completely visible. Visitors can freely see how products are developed and manufactured. At the biggest highlight here, the Blender Lab. Visitors can choose from among 8 varieties, such as White Lily and Osmanthus, to make a blend of their favorite scent and experience creating their own original perfume.
We like the scent of Sabon soap. So we want to combine the Sabon scent. We can also keep the bottle when we're done.
This is what could be called the heart of SHIRO, where fans flock from all over the country. Company founder and chairwoman Hiroe Imai says there's something she used as a reference.
I've had the chance to see the factories of various overseas brands like L'Occitane. I believe there are many companies based in thriving local communities, which is reflected in their craftsmanship. In the cosmetics industry, there are brands whose strength lies in their connection with a specific region, such as Provence in France for L'Occitane. If Sunagawa, which can't be called well-known, becomes a town where SHIRO fans come to, there's a possibility it can benefit the business in terms of enhancing brand image and profitability.
For instance, among global cosmetics brands, Provence, France for L'Occitane. For Sabon, the Dead Sea in Israel. Examples abound of the place of origin, or where the raw ingredients are produced, is directly linked to brand image, becoming a hub for fans. However, Sunagawa City, the birthplace of SHIRO, has no prominent tourist resources or specialties and is sometimes called a town which people pass through. So SHIRO set out to re-energize the area. In November of last year, they also opened a restaurant. Their main selling point is a menu that lets customers experience the region by cooking Hokkaido ingredients using wood from the thinning of local forests. What's more, they acquired the management rights to a financially struggling hotel in front of Sunagawa Station and are renovating it with an investment of more than $22 million. In addition to guest rooms, it'll be equipped with functions such as a bathing facility with a sauna and housing for the elderly. It's scheduled for completion by this autumn. As the hub of Sunagawa thrives and perceptions of the town improve, SHIRO's branding will also strengthen, leading to further growth. That's the future the company envisions.
The words that make me happiest are things like, I kind of want to go there, and Sunagawa is great recently. With SHIRO, nature and delicious food, I hope it becomes the kind of town where people say, that's why I end up always going there.